माइक तो वो वाले कनेक्टेड है। उधर से उधर जा रही है। वो वाले माइक कनेक्टेड है ऊपर। कर लिया टेस्ट कर लिया ना।
Is it center? Camera is fine.
Yes, sir. Sir, you can see. Is it perfect? We can adjust it if needed. If you need.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. We have to show that side.
Can you see the podium?
Yes, sir. Should we move it a little bit back?
I think we have to do. Switch.
Our voice is going in the stream. Could be muted.
Yeah, muted.
Muted.
हेलो। हेलो, हाँ भैया। मैं अरे अभी मैं ऑडियो में हूँ, मेरे साथ ही चलेंगे। अरे ये दे दो, मैं ये दे दूँ।
लेकिन जब वो बोल रहे उधर से आवाज कैसे आएंगे? वो स्पीकर से फिर इसमें ट्रांसफर होती है।
वहाँ पे वो गिलास वाला डिब्बा रखा है और एक पोस्टर दे रहे
उन्होंने म्यूट कर दिया था यार।
ये तीनों कंट्रोल में है, किसी में से
You take the responsibility. What you have to do, whatever the guest, his name, one thing and one quote or two quotes on their speech. And you have to send to me also. After the and at the end of every speech. Right now.
So like as in when you finish talking, you want me to present you?
Yes, yes, yes. Immediately. So you have to be very carefully listen every single thing. And those are mainly important. Not only one thing.
स्क्रीन पे आवाज बनाओ चाहिए।
But they will speak. You might not have their own speech. Or see if they'll speak from their own mind.
Yeah, like that because I have some speeches that they will
Let it be. You can note it down, but write my number and I want you to share it at the end of every one speech, which includes the last one speech. Okay. Then Swagat sir, VC sir, then the chief guest and guest of honor.
yes.
हमने उसके बाद चेंज नहीं किया मानसी। नो आइडिया। उसको कॉल लगा बहन को।
About photo if possible. Or you can tell me.
Are we standing up there?
No, but you can assign one student now. Take the picture. Student will send it to you. And you send it to me along with photo and the quote. One person who will send the photo to you. You will send the photo to me along with the photo. Okay, one or two photos. And it is by whom?
अपने
Is their affiliation?
लैंड की वर्ड क्या?
Okay,
देख
if it is
कोई नीचे भेज एक बंदे को लैंड के लेके जाओ।
be not so and so. That's it.
मेरे पास पड़ी है
Name?
एक पाँच नहीं पाँच पाँच से सात में एक वो है क्या बोलते हैं लैंड की केबल दी हुई है बाकी 3 रूम में हम लगेंगे लैंड केबल हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है मैं भेज रहा हूँ लैपटॉप पे लैपटॉप नहीं चाहिए लैंड केबल चाहिए ओके Hello. Sir, we need a land cable, one land cable. Where 2 I have it, and one is in 507. So we need to get it. Okay, for 2 rooms. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay. उल्टा 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 लगा रहा हूँ। हेलो, हाँ सर, हेलो सर।
सर एसी मुझे नहीं पता है
कौन करता है?
एसी का
अरे इसमें मतलब कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ। नहीं हुआ, कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ। हो गया।
हो जाएगा
रिमोट है क्या? टेप लेके गए। हाँ हाँ टेप ले गए होंगे वो। टेप आप ग्राउंड मंगा लो, मुझे नहीं पता। तुमने वो कनेक्ट किया?
Good morning, all. We'll begin the inaugural ceremony shortly.
हाँ हाँ देख बोला होगा।
हर्षित टेप का ट्रांसपेरेंट
मैं वो लेके गए बाहर में।
हाँ लेकिन
देख चेक कर।
आपको
बोला उसने।
मेरे पास था ना, तो अपने पास था ना टेप।
हेलो,
हम अपनी टेप नहीं यूज हो रही।
अपनी टीम भी लेगा भाई।
माइक की नहीं आ रही। ठीक है।
डबल टेप दे,
अक्षय।
डबल टेप दे।
इधर इधर अक्षय बोल कुछ।
Hello.
ठीक है ठीक है।
उधर डाल दे।
हाँ
अरे उधर रखो ना साइड में, हम क्या करना है?
कर रेडी हो। मत हटा।
तो जो ग्रुप मीटिंग में ज्वाइन करेंगे ऑनलाइन,
वहाँ पे है
नहीं तो
फिर ये क्या देखेंगे?
ज्वाइन
वो तो हाँ इधर भी आ जाए।
इधर तो कंटिन्यूअसली चलेगा ही
बिकॉज उनका एड्रेस भी
हाँ तो
तो
जब
उनको वहाँ दिखाना
तो
नहीं,
जब बोलेंगे तब दिखाए कि पूरा टाइम?
पूरे टाइम दिखाना।
ये बैनर नहीं दिखेगा।
हाँ हाँ, नहीं दिखना चाहिए। तो वो लाइव भी यहाँ दिखना चाहिए जो ज्वाइन करेंगे। वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, इसीलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको।
आपको जो बोलना है
जो लाइव दिखेगा ना, वहाँ पर भी लाइव दिखना चाहिए। यहाँ जो बैठे हुए हैं, उसको देखना चाहिए।
बैठ लेता मैं 2 लाख के बोले लैपटॉप मेरा इसमें। और बोल अभी 2 रूम में ही करना है, 5 तो साथ में और एक जो कोई भी दूसरे रूम में स्पीकर था शायद, तो 5 तो 16 था।
प्रोजेक्ट देम
मैं 2 रूम में करना है।
check them otherwise keep it right. हाँ
शॉर्ट कर दिया ना उन्होंने, एक तरफ कर दिया था। अच्छा कर दिया क्या इनके लिए? कितने किए? वो बुक है, क्या नाम है? प्रियांशु। प्रियांशु प्रियांशु थोड़ी ना आएगा, बहुत चुपचाप में बिजी है ना। तो अभी क्यों बिजी है क्या?
तो म्यूजिक चाहिए ना, तो रेडी म्यूजिक का है भाई।
पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट उसके हाथ में है। वीआईपी थोड़ी है
वो कितना प्रिपेयर होगा एक बार गलत हुआ तो
पूरा जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बीआईडी की तरफ से सुरेंद्र की टीम के साथ कांटेक्ट में है। प्रियांशु ही है उसके म्यूजिक टीम के साथ। हमारी जो म्यूजिक कोऑर्डिनेटर वही है, वही म्यूजिक कोऑर्डिनेटर है इसका, यही करता है।
नहीं ज्वाइन करो।
पहले था दिव्यांशु, वो चला गया।
और
इतना के लिए है, सब लोग साथ में है, पूरे टीम के रखा गया है।
कैमरा वगैरह कौन कर रहा है? कैप्चर करना पीछे बैठी है टीम, उनको बैठी है ना, उनको बोलना पूरे टाइम यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहे फोटोज के लिए।
क्या काम? अरे वो चालू हो जाता है।
हाँ
यस हाँ
काम को पता भी होगा तो क्या होता।
पहले
जो छोटी बड़ी
चलते हैं नाम बोलेंगे।
I kindly request all the teams whose evaluation time is from 10 o'clock, kindly reach your allotted rooms. Only those who belongs from VIT Bhubaneswar University, whose allotted time is from 10 o'clock, kindly reach please to your allotted rooms.
मैम उनसे पूछ के ही हमने किया है, हम कम कर देंगे मैम।
बहुत तेज लग रहा था, या तो अपन को लग रहा हो पीछे नहीं हो रहा होगा, मेरे ख्याल से ये हो सकता है। यहाँ पर सामने स्पीकर है ना, सही लग रहा होगा।
हम मिडल में फील नहीं होता था, यहाँ पे स्पीकर के पास।
हाँ, वो स्पीकर के पास इधर आ रहा होगा, पीछे तक नहीं हो रहा।
हमें भी अब रुकना है, हमें
कौन से स्टूडेंट? VIT भोपाल के बच्चों को भेजा है ना?
हाँ, सिर्फ VIT भोपाल।
VIT भोपाल वाले। तो आप बोलना कुछ भी डाउट है, बाहर हेल्प डेस्क है, रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क है, उनके पास आप जाके इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमको कुछ नहीं पता। When the lamp is going to be lighted, light the candle and give it to the guest.
There is a not there.
Student girls है ना अपने पास?
हाँ, the girls will be there. They will be giving. So very first we have to give it to the chief guest. Then
वो कैंडल जला के
हाँ,
देंगे ना
उनके हाथ में तो 2 लड़कियां खड़ा करते हैं।
रवि सर है ना, रविंद्र सर जो है, उनको देना है। अमृत सर, हाँ ये है
अमृत रवि is the chief guest. तो 2 लड़कियां पहले जो स्पॉट पे जाएंगी ना, वही खड़ी हो जाएंगी। अच्छा है ना, शूज ऑफ करना पड़ेगा।
वो वहाँ पे बैठेंगे ना, वो आएंगे। हाँ,
ठीक है ना, क्लियर हो गया ना?
जूम को करना रहेगा। रविंद्र विक्रम से जला देंगे, दो जला देंगे, एक्स्ट्रा सा जला देंगे। दामिनी मैम 5 लोग, मैं बोलती हूँ कि 5 लोग, 5 है तो 5 ही है, जला देंगे बस। आप बता देंगे। हाँ, रखे
आपने भेजा तो सही उसको ऊपर। और भाई वो तूने स्पीकर 2 दिए हैं, रूम 4 है, तो 2 रूम में स्पीकर है और काम करते हैं। हाँ काम करते हैं, बस वो कनेक्ट करने का मैं सरवानंद सर को बोल रहा हूँ, ऊपर पहुंच गया बच्चे। 507 और 516 में चालू करो, दोनों जगह से। और आपका पूछना था, और एक चीज पूछ रहे हैं ऊपर उसमें तीसरे 2 ही दिए ना, लैपटॉप 2 दिए और लैपटॉप 2 और आपने बोला अभी 2 ही करो, जरूरत पड़ेगी तो बढ़ाएं। और मैं लैपटॉप काम किया मैंने अपना लैपटॉप भेज दिया, 4 है ऊपर। ठीक,
हाँ, जो गेट तो ओपन है ना, पीछे वाला
sir, I sent the guys with the laptop. They have started it. So you just need to connect the speaker.
All the time you must be there. Okay, all the time. Okay? Guests coming from there. So यहाँ वाला किस तरह है?
अंदर से खुला है, ये बस खुला है, इधर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकता। ये वाला लॉक है।
एक बात बताऊं, तो ये खुला है, यहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे?
बस वहीं पे बैठे।
हेलो,
और फिर वापस वहीं से आना।
कहाँ पहुँचा तू?
ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ, खुलवा सकता है, बट वो गार्ड को बोलना पड़ेगा। गार्ड को
जल्दी पहुँच, जल्दी पहुँच, जल्दी पहुँच, जल्दी पहुँच।
हाँ बोल दो।
ज्वाइन किया
एक ही जाओ, सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ेगी।
मैम 1 गेस्ट है ज्वाइन, इसी बैठो।
1 गेस्ट ऑलरेडी
अभी नहीं।
लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग वाला ऑन कर दो, जो गेस्ट ने ज्वाइन किया उसको ऑन करके वो भी दिखना चाहिए ना, यहाँ पे
वीडियो बंद करके रखना।
दिखना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, बट पता चला वो आउट हो गए, लॉग आउट कर दिया।
नहीं मैम, वो हम देख रहे हैं।
ठीक है, उनको लगेगा कि प्रोग्राम अभी कोई आया ही नहीं है, कि कुछ नहीं है ना। यहाँ से साउंड तो नहीं आया, तुमको फिर सोच समझ के बोलो। हो गया?
हाँ मैम, एक और भी करें।
एक बार ये तो वीडियो ऑन करके इनको ये लोग दिखा दो।
चालू है मैम, हमारा वीडियो चालू है। नहीं मैम, पीछे का
ये वाला किसी को कैसे दिखेगा?
मैम सामने गेस्ट दिखेंगे।
कोई नहीं दिखेगा, गेस्ट ही दिखेंगे। ये कैमरा ऐसा मूव करके पीछे का भी दिखा रहे थे ऑडियंस।
मैम वो एक कैमरा से
वो हिल जाएगा अगर वो करेगा।
हाँ मैम, हम कैमरा कनेक्ट करके पीछे का दिखा सकते हैं।
हम अगर हम अपने
ये कौन कैमरा?
अगर हम किसी के फोन में कनेक्ट करके उसको ट्राइपॉड में लगा देते हैं तो वो दिखता रहेगा।
हाँ वो भी कर ट्राइपॉड एक और साइड। बट है ना, ज्यादा कुछ मत करना कि तुम्हारा लैपटॉप में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस हो।
जीरो टू जीरो दो आ रहे हैं। जीरो टू जीरो है, G15 में वो है
अबे जीरो टू जीरो
अभी दो आ रहे हैं। नहीं आ रही है तब
एक तो मैंगो के लिए भी ले गया ना छोटी वाली।
मैं वाटर फ्लोवर पर सेलेक्ट घर में वही
थैंक यू टीम को दे दी पानी की बोतल।
हाँ हम ले सकते हैं ना। वो चाहिए
वाइट वाला फ्लावर है क्यों लटक रही है माला?
हाँ वो गिर गई है, गिर गई है।
तेरे व्हाट्सएप पे है तो सही भाई।
अरे वो वाइट माला माला।
हर्ष
अबे हम सारे ऐसे ही लग रखे हैं, तूने एक वो अलग ही उठाया है।
ये तो फिर वाइट पर जो बुकी जैसे पहले था वैसे ही रहेगा, सारे बुके वैसे ही एक्चुअली होना चाहिए था।
हम कैसे करें?
बोला है
Okay, and I saw all the flowers dead out, so I again gave them that. उसको भी वैसे ही कर दो, वो क्योंकि अलग सा दिखता है, सेम जैसे है ना वैसे ही कर दो।
हाँ मैं वो भी दे रहा
वही सारे लगाए
बड़ा वाला है पेपर के लिए
उसके बाद उसको जाना नहीं है पे काम 12 बजे के बाद हम लोग को फूड कूपन मिलेगा इंतजार करते ना बाद में फूड कूपन मिलेगा बस पर अभी 2 गेस्ट ज्वाइन करा नेम बताओ जरा
नालपाल सर एंड यूसुफ यासिन नालपाल सर कहते तो बता देना और श्रीदेवी शर्मा एक नाम करे तो बता देना
तीनों गाने ऑर्डर कर लेना पहले इन्वोकेशन का
हाँ पहले
लोकेशन का
बचेगा फिर लाइटिंग लैम्प लाइटिंग का बचेगा
इन्वोकेशन का कोई सॉन्ग है कुछ
हाँ
म्यूजिक
है
तमिल
लैम्प लाइटिंग का म्यूजिक कुछ चाहिए और अगर फ्लोरल वेलकम का म्यूजिक है
हाँ क्या करना है मुझे बताओ
फ्लोरल वेलकम हुआ तो म्यूजिक प्ले होना चाहिए
नहीं बेटा कुछ नहीं होगा
तो सिर्फ इंविटेशन लैम्प लाइटिंग डांस नहीं करते क्या मैं तो पूछ रही थी मीटिंग किसके साथ ज्वाइन
मीटिंग ज्वाइन की किसी ने 2 लोगों ने कर दी है 2 लोग आपको 2 लोग ज्वाइन प्लीज एक सेकंड कोई दिक्कत नहीं
Good morning, esteemed guests, faculty members, students, and participants. It is an absolute honor to welcome you all to Health Hack 2025, a prestigious collaboration between VIT Bhopal University and Johns Hopkins University, USA. This hackathon aims to foster innovation and healthcare technology and accessible solutions for the future.
To grace this grand occasion, we are honored to have distinguished dignitaries, academic leaders, and industry experts with us. I take immense pleasure in welcoming Mr. Amrit Ravi, Vice President, Lead Emerging Opportunities, Morphin Laboratories Limited, Dr. Ravindra Vikram Singh, Director and Head, R&D Technology and Innovation at Merck India, Ms. Damini Agarwal, Chief Technology Officer at IBT, USA, Dr. P.V. Sridharan, Pro VC, VIT Bhopal University, Mr. K.K. Nair, Acting Registrar, VIT Bhopal University, Dr. Srinivasan R, Director, International Relations, VIT, Dr. Siddharth Mehti, Convener, VIT Bhopal University,
Dr. Sridevi Sharma, co-patron, Johns Hopkins University, Professor Yusuf Yazdi, co-convener, Johns Hopkins University, Mr. Kunal Pal, Executive Director of Gupta Klinsky India Institute at Johns Hopkins University. A heartfelt welcome to all of you.
Your presence today adds immense value to this event, and we eagerly look forward to your insights and encouragement.
To commence this event on an auspicious and cultural note, let us now stand for the invocation.
Thank you, everyone. Please be seated.
Yes.
To begin this momentous occasion, let us seek blessing of the Almighty through the lighting of lamp and a prayer ceremony. I kindly request all dignitaries present to come forward for the lamp lighting.
ये नहीं उसको भेज दो।
Now, to have a floral welcome of our esteemed guest as a symbol of our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for the gracious present at this inaugural ceremony, I invite Honorable Pro VC Dr. T.V. Sridharan to present a bouquet to our chief guest, Mr. Amrit Ravi. Next, I would like to invite Mr. K.K. Nair, Acting Registrar, VIT Bhopal University, to present a bouquet to our guest of honor, Dr. Ravindra Vikram Singh. Finally, I invite Director International Relations, VIT, Dr. C. Nivasan R, to present a bouquet to Ms. Damini Agarwal.
Thank you all
for being with us today. To officially commence today's event, I now invite Dr. T.V. Sridharan, Vice Chancellor of VIT Bhopal University, to deliver the welcome address.
Very good morning to one and all present here. Our VIT Bhopal University, in association with the Johns Hopkins University USA, organizes Health Hack 2025 with the aim to improve health through accessible and empowering innovations. I invite Chief Patron of this Health Hack 25, our visionary leader, Founder Chancellor, Honorable Sri G. Vishwanathan Sir. I invite patrons of this Health Hack 25, our beloved humble Vice President, most respected Sri Shankar G. Vishwanathan Sir. I invite most respected Assistant Vice President, Ms. Kadambari S. Vishwanathan Madam. I invite most respected Trustee, Mrs. Ramani Balasundar Madam. I am indeed happy, and it's my pleasure to invite and welcome our chief guest of today's function, most respected Mr. Amrit Ravi, Vice President Sir. I warmly welcome you on behalf of VIT Bhopal University, sir. I invite guest of honor today's functions, respected Ravindra Vikram Sharma ji, Director Head R&D, Technology and Innovation, Sigma Aldrich, Bangalore. I warmly welcome you, sir, on behalf of VIT University Bhopal. This program is conducted in the presence of two industrial partners, Dr. Neha Verma, co-founder and CEO India Intel Health USA. She will be appearing online. Ms. Domini Agarwal, Chief Technology Officer, IBT USA. I warmly welcome you both, madam, on behalf of VIT Bhopal University. I invite the co-patrons of this Health Hack, respected Dr. K.K. Nair, sir, Acting Registrar, Dr. Sridevi Sarma, Vice Dean for Graduate Education, Whitting School of Engineering, Professor Biomedical Engineering, Associate Director, Institute of Computational Medicine, Johns Hopkins University, USA. I invite conveners of this Health Hack, Dr. Siddharth Methi, Associate Professor, Program Chair, School of Bioengineering and Technology, VIT Bhopal University, Bhopal. I invite Yusuf Yazdi, Associate Professor, Director, Whitting School of Engineering, Johns Hopkins University, for this Health Hack. I invite Dr. Teddy Alavi, Associate Dean Global Partnership, Whitting School of Engineering, Johns Hopkins University, USA. I invite co-conveners of this Health Act, Dr. Srinivasan, Director International Relations, VIT University, Vellore. Dr. Swahat Kumar, Program Chair, Sky, VIT Bhopal University, Bhopal. I, on behalf of VIT Bhopal University, welcome our chief patrons, co-patrons, conveners, co-conveners, judges of various panels, deans, directors, program chairs, professors, research scholars, student volunteers, student participants from the VIT Bhopal University, faculty members, and a team of student participants from various other institutions across India, faculty and a team of student participants from VIT Vellore, VIT, other campuses of VIT. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite one and all present here. With this, a brief note, I welcome you once again to this Health Hack 2025. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, to provide an overview of this extraordinary initiative, I invite Dr. Srinivasan R., Director, International Relations, VIT, to introduce the VITB JHU Health Hack.
Very good morning. It's my pleasure and privilege to tell about the first VIT Bhopal Johns Hopkins University Health Hackathon. First of all, I want to express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chancellor, Sir, and our respected Vice President Sri Sankar Vishwanath sir, and our respected Assistant Vice President Kadambari S. Vishwanathan madam, and our respected Trustee madam, Ms. Ramani Balasundram, for their continuous motivation and their support. The Joint Health Hackathon has been programmed and discussed for the past several months between PIT and Johns Hopkins colleagues. The one person is very special to us, and she is our proud alumnus, Dr. Damini Alva. Damini initiated this, and then we discussed. So she played a very important role to bring collaboration between PIT and Johns Hopkins University. And the Vice Dean of Whitting School of Engineering, Dr. Sridevi Sarma, Dr. Yusuf, Dr. Vidya Lavi, and many other colleagues from Johns Hopkins, they extended their extraordinary support to VIT Bhopal to make this happen. The event like this is very important for students and faculty members to identify the research problems, innovations, to experiment their novel ideas. So with all these important points, we started this initiative a year ago. We conducted several meetings, and with advice of our Assistant Vice President Madam, is also proud alumnus of both PIT and also Johns Hopkins, like Dr. Damini. And the convener, as co-conveners, and all the faculty members involved in this important event from VIT Bhopal, they taken extraordinary efforts to bring this to reality, particularly Dr. Siddharth, Dr. Swagat, and many other people. And our Pro-Vice Chancellor, Dr. T.B. Sridharan, though he has taken over very recently, but he is one of our senior most faculty member and taken the leadership role here. And he also gave a lot of ideas and suggestions to make this event very successful. This health hackathon is very important. Why it's important? Our young minds, they are come out with a lot of ideas and innovations. Next 2 days, today and tomorrow, we are going to witness their talent and their ideas that will going to become reality. That's the reason we brought our distinguished guests from industry. They are very good friends of VIT and well-wishers of VIT, known to us for a long time. So such a close integration between VIT and industries. VIT is giving a lot of importance for academia industry collaboration. Industries play a very vital role of designing, right from designing our curriculum and delivering expert lectures. And they are also recruiting our students in various industrial sectors. So that's why the VIT students are very distinguished from other institutions. We never forget them. For example, Dr. Damini completed her studies in 2015, and we invited her many occasions to VIT, so like a family. She is our daughter, and always at VIT, in spite of her busy work schedule, and she always come to VIT, all the campuses, smiling face and supporting our students. That's very important. And she took a lot of effort and to introduce VIT to the various levels in the US institutions, not only Johns Hopkins and many other institutions. You want to see such great people from our own student community in coming years. And that's the way we started this program. Every year we want to do this. We request our distinguished professors from Johns Hopkins, Dr. Yusuf SD is here, and Dr. Idi Alawi is here, very good friend of mine. And we visited them in Baltimore, and our Honorable Chancellor, sir, and Vice President, sir, and Assistant Vice Madam, myself visited in Baltimore. We had a rounds of discussion with the dean. They also visited VIT a couple of times, and it's wonderful to have partnership such a top-ranked institution in the world. So with this, I would like to congratulate everyone involved in this excellent initiative. And I want this to continue for many years. And I want students to utilize this excellent opportunity to interact with each other. And it's not winning medals or certificates. The experience, the platform, what you are having access, that is great. I welcome students from other campuses of VIT and faculty members from other campuses of VIT and students from other universities in India. So definitely you are going to experience, this is the great event, and you are going to learn a lot out of your classroom, and you take good memories and message from VIT Bhopal. VIT Bhopal, we are transferring this institution to the research university. So we want our students to be involved, right from the bachelor degree students to PhD students, they should be involved in the core research. So good publications as well. All our VIT campuses, we focus on research, patent oriented, product oriented. So the research is not just publication of papers and keep it aside. And we want to take it to the next level. We heavily involve industry people in our research platform. So the benefit, the end benefit will goes to society. That is very important. Those days are gone. Faculty members have published papers, they're satisfied. No, now it's a different way. We are dealing with that, and we want to make it. We want to make VIT institutions, so research-oriented universities, and the benefit goes to both students and faculty, and also to society. So once again, thank you so much for providing me an opportunity. And I'm visiting the Bhopal past within 2 times in the past 2 weeks, and we want to enhance the various programs. That is the mission here. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring words. Now we have with us Professor Yusuf Yazdi, co-convener, Johns Hopkins University, who has been instrumental in driving biomedical innovation. I invite him to share his insights.
Thank you so much, and congratulations to the honorable leadership of VIT Bhopal and the leadership of this hackathon for such a successful event. But most of all, I want to express my deepest congratulations to all of you, the student innovators, who have been selected to be here today for this event. You are incredibly talented and well-trained young scholars, and you will no doubt be very successful in any endeavor that you choose to pursue. But let me say, there is no better use of your time, your creativity, your energy, than to improve human health. The theme of this event, improving health through accessible and empowering innovation, is a critical need here in the United States, at Johns Hopkins University, there in India, and around the world. By choosing this path, by choosing this application of your time and talent, you are preparing for a life full of material as well as spiritual rewards. At Johns Hopkins Center for Bioengineering Innovation and Design, we are honored to be a participant in this event, and we share your values And in our programs, we help prepare our students similarly for such a path in life. I know this is a competition today, and I wish you all the best of luck. But merely by participating in this event, you are already winners and on a path for professional success. Thank you so much for this kind invitation to work with you. I've enjoyed working with the organizers of the event over the last few months tremendously, and I'm incredibly inspired by the organization of the event and the talented people who have joined in participating. Congratulations to all of you, and best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. Healthcare innovations are driven not only by academia, but also through strong industry collaborations. We are privileged to have key industry leaders with us today. First, I invite Mr. Kunal Pal, Executive Director of the Gupta-Klinsky India Institute at Johns Hopkins University, to share his address.
Thank you very much. Good morning, honorable leadership of VIT Bhopal, esteemed guests, and then most of all, our participants today in the hackathon. My name is Kunal Pal. I'm the Executive Director of the Gupta-Klinsky India Institute at Johns Hopkins University. And I thought I would spend a couple of minutes just providing some context about the legacy of partnership and impact that Hopkins has had in India. As many of you know, Johns Hopkins has been working in India through partnership for nearly 1 century. In the 1940s, Hopkins served as a technical advisory on malaria control campaigns across the country. In the 60s, Hopkins co-developed treatments on ORS, saving an estimated 50 million lives. In the year 2000, Hopkins led clinical trials in pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, estimated to have protected 27 million children in India. Even today, over 160 Hopkins faculty across various schools work with 100 plus partners across all states and union territories in India on a wide variety of projects. So it was in this spirit that the Gupta-Klinsky India Institute at Johns Hopkins University was founded in the year 2020 to build on this legacy of partnership and impact, but with the goal of supercharging this partnership and connecting the best of Hopkins with the best of India to continue to create impact. And I think today's hackathon is just another example of how, by coming together, we can really create some impactful opportunities. Our projects at the India Institute cut across different domains, and our projects are driven by research, by education, training, and implementation as well. They involve a wide variety of stakeholders and partners, and I think there's many opportunities for those in the room to get involved. So we invite you to learn more by visiting our website, India Institute at jhu.edu, and by signing up for your newsletter. I also invite any of you who are interested in learning more to kindly connect with me on LinkedIn or otherwise. I want to end by wishing the participants today all the very best for a successful hackathon. The drive, the innovation you demonstrate today will set the foundation for tomorrow's most impactful initiatives. And we are incredibly inspired by your talent, your passion, your innovation. So we hope that you have a very successful hackathon and have fun doing so. Best wishes.
I extend my heartfelt gratitudes for your words, sir. Now, I request Ms. Damini Agarwal, Chief Technology Officer at IBT USA, to share her thoughts on this initiative.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon to the VIT administration, Chancellor Sir, VP Sir, AVP Ma'am, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, of course, my colleagues and friends from Johns Hopkins University. My name is Damini Agarwal. I work as the Chief Technology Officer at Infinite Biomedical Technologies, a medical devices company that's spun out of Hopkins and is based in Baltimore, USA. We make sensors and control systems for bionic arms. So to put it in very simple terms, we make the brains of artificial limbs. And I also have the distinct pleasure of being an alumnus of both the two institutions that are partnering on this fabulous event today. Hackathons have, played an instrumental role in shaping both my academic journey as well as now the professional path. Through both of these institutions, I participate in hackathons, both at VIT as well as at Hopkins. And I think, to the participants, you don't really realize the skills that it is instilling in you while you are participating in while you're going through the experience. But you realize much later how much you have learned and how much continues to be a part of you and influences your daily decisions as you, grow in your professional space. Even today, a lot of work that I do, core fundamental principles of those, of that work derives from my experiences from these hackathons. So I congratulate all of you for your enthusiasm and participation in this event. And I hope that, you take away fond memories, good friendships, and a lot of experience that will help guide your professional success going forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing us with your words. Moving forward, I would like to invite Dr. Swagat Kumar Savantre, co-convener, to introduce our guest of honor.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to this auspicious occasion. We are honored to have Dr. Ravindra Kumar Verma, Ravindra Vikram Singh, Director and Head R&D Technology and Innovations at Merck India at our guest of honor. With the nearly 30 years of research experience, including over 25 years in industry, he innovate-driven R&D, manufacturing and technology development, transferring ideas into high-impact solutions. A Merck Science Award winner, Dr. Singh has established state-of-the-art chemistry laboratory, automated pilot plants, and sustainable innovations model. And his experience spans custom synthesis, contract research, drug discovery, and process R&D. A Six Sigma Green Belt, he campaigns digital automation, regulatory excellence, and talent development, shaping the future of chemicals and pharmaceutical research. Sir, it's my pleasure to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you on this special occasion. Thank you for being here and mark this event as so special. Your presence and participation means a lot for us. We truly appreciate our times and contributions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. We are honored to have Dr. Ravindra Vikram Singh, Director and Head R&D of Merck in India as a guest of honor. Sir, we welcome you to share your thoughts.
Good morning, VIT.
Good morning.
It's morning, right? No energy? Good morning. Thank you. First of all, let me congratulate VIT for organizing such a beautiful event. And in fact, when I have heard about this, when I was approached to participate in this event, I was very much excited. You heard from the individual that I have already passed 25 years in industry, and there's one coincidence that I'm coming to Bhopal after 25 years. And I started my career from here in Bhopal. I joined after my PhD, I joined Lupin Pharmaceuticals, maybe 70 kilometers away from here. And that's when I heard about you, that you spend a lot of time in Bhopal, Bhel. So my owner was in Bhel here, employee. And 3 years I was in Bhopal. Then obviously I traveled a lot in India. Now settled in Bangalore. Coming back to the event, and before that, let me also convey my regards to Vice Chancellor, Sridharan sir, Srinivasan sir, and all the dignitary here. I also learned today morning that in the dais we have two people who has completed their studies, and their courses from VIT, and they're sitting here. So that's the most beautiful part, And you see your inspiration from, coming from the dais here also. that one day somebody from here also will come and sit and dais, right? Obviously, the time will be retired, so don't worry. But that's the most beautiful part. And about the theme, I must tell that when I was looking at the theme of this event, empowering, accessible health, right? To empowering innovation. Merck vision is that sparking discoveries, elevating human health. It's just gelling very well, actually, And this vision also we launched this year only. Merck, I don't know how many know about the Merck. Merck is the oldest pharmaceutical company on earth. I have to say that because we are 355-year-olds. We started in 1668, and today, wherever you go, you'll find the Merck. Be it pharmaceuticals, be it your electronics, be it any other branch of science, if you say that. So thank you so much. Students, I think I'm seeing a lot of students here. And this event, I think I was told that almost more than thousands participants are there. And the theme and the challenges what they have been given to you. The problem statement, I was going through that. You have 14 problem statement, I believe. And I was going through line by line. I was so excited to learn all those things because this is what my dream is today. The reason when we started our career, trust me, these were not there at all. Now I'm very happy that this kind of events are getting organized where the students or participants are getting chance to participate, learn and discover their curiosity and bring that for the improvement of the human health. So that's a great thing. I hope if all the participants, obviously there will be only few winners, but I think I heard that all participants are winners. Because if you don't participate, there's no chance to even win. So I think with this, I congratulate all the participants in advance, and I hope you will have a lot of good ideas coming back, on the, let's say, outcome of this event. From Merck side, I can tell you one thing now. Merck has a lot of AI-driven softwares and tools already developed. If anybody want to refer that, we have AI edition. That's called software called AI edition, where the discovery tool that's already based on AI. There's another tool called Cynthia. That's a very well a tool in the market. And there's several other things are coming. Probably I will see this event as a kind of event where we'll get also a lot of ideas. And in future, if there is opportunity, we'll definitely love to collaborate, because in the Bangalore we have a more healthcare R&D where we do a lot of activities on software and hardware, parts, and also the processes which help improving human health. So thank you so very much, and all the best, and good luck to all of you. And thank you, VIT leadership team, for inviting me. Thank you all the organizers. I know that you're working very hard, so thank you so much. And thank you all these guys also, back end support. So thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. To introduce our esteemed chief guest, now I would like to invite Mr. K.K. Nair, Acting Registrar, VIT Bhopal University.
Good morning. Respected Chancellor, sir, Vice President, sir, Trustee Madam, and our beloved EVP Madam, who has been the guiding force behind the university and as well as this event. The guests on the dais, the chief guest, Amit Privi, sir, guest of honor, Ravindra Vikram Singh, sir, Madam Damini Agarwal, Vice Chancellor, Sridharan, sir, Dr. Srinivasan from VIT Vellore, esteemed professors, faculty members, dear students, as well as the participants of this seminar, as well as all those who have joined us online from from John Hopkins University as well as elsewhere, and all others. It is indeed a privilege conferred on me to introduce the chief guest, Sri Amit Devi, for the Health Hack program being held here this morning. VIT Bhopal applauds you and looks forward to hear from you on the evolving contours of health management science. To briefly give an introduction to our chief guest, Sri Amit Devi, viewing from the present, he is the Vice President, Lead Emerging Opportunities Division of Morban Laboratories Limited, Gurugram. For the uninitiated in health and pharmaceutical industry, Morban Laboratories is a beacon of excellence in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, with its marked presence in 82 countries and with over 800 products. Mr. Ravi started his professional pursuit from Morgan Stanley, a global leader in financial services, then switched to TCS, which doesn't need an introduction to our budding IT professionals. With sound skills in technology development, implementation and consulting, venturing into entrepreneurship, the obvious choice of multi-faceted talents. Leveraging technology to build hospital business, he ventured into conceiving, planning, operating, brain-span innovations and healthcare startups dedicated to pioneering EMR and HIS solutions. This gave him an opportunity as COO to handhold and work with state governments in evolving large-scale healthcare. Then it was the turn of leading a healthcare unicorn, Christian Care, and then the largest healthcare hospital group, Apollo 24/7, as a business head. He was primarily involved in Apollo being able to cater to the chronic patients across multiple touch points, that is, hospital, pharmacy, diagnostics, helping millions of customers to manage their conditions better. He has led the groundbreaking business of wearables and smart devices ecosystems, which help in rendering high-quality healthcare management. To say that the dichotomy between medicine and technology is over. It's a thing of the past. And over the past decade, Sri Amit Devi and his colleagues have been leading the most advanced IT skills into healthcare management field. It is most heartening to the students of VIT who are learning the merger of technology and life sciences to listen to you, sir, the harbinger of their field of interest. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are honored to have Mr. Amrit Ravi, Vice President and Lead of Emerging Opportunities at Mobile Laboratory Limited, as our chief guest. Sir, we eagerly look forward to your address.
Well, good morning, everyone. This is very nostalgic for me. 19 years. It has been since I was on the other side of the dais. I remember Vellore campus, year 2006, Anna Auditorium, when we had our first
lecture by our own Chancellor Sir, Honorable Sir, and Kuntala Jayaraman ma'am. And it all started from there. I joined Vellore in 2006, a branch that was a very novel branch, started the first batch, bioinformatics, the BTech program. I attribute that decision to everything I am today because it was not easy. Absolutely new branch, biotechnology coming in, taking shape, very new for India. In fact, it was a matter where we used to get teased by computer science grads and, ye kya branch hai? Ye kyun liya hai? And we were frankly quite nervous earlier. But let me tell you this, what I'm going to talk about in the next 5-7 minutes is going to be very focused on me, the present me, telling the past me what to do at this point in healthcare. What I'm going to talk about is going to be very practical. What you can focus as students, which will take you places in healthcare. Since I have dedicated my entire 15 years of career in healthcare, in fact, before that as well. But a bit about VIT first, before I talk about healthcare. What VIT gave me is priceless. It taught me, it gave me the knack to build, to teach the scratch, as I would say. We were forced to think, and come out of the rat race, the typical career trajectory that people would take. VIT was the place that got me a chance to be the only student, rather, my roommate was also the other one. We both were selected in the UROP program at MIT and under Dr. Sabatini's laboratory. And those 8 months changed how we think usually. Typically, it's the job that you chase after BTech. But we got into that zone where we wanted to do something on our own. Tata Group helped us get those, polishing that we needed as students to become some more presentable corporate folks. And right after that, I jumped into the healthcare space, with Healthcare Magic being India's first health tech startup. We got 2 million patients in almost a year using our solutions, which connected doctors and patients. Very old idea. Today you have practos of the world and libraries of the world doing the same, but we were the first one. And it all started from there. In between, as Sir mentioned, we built a successful startup called Brainpan Innovations. It is one of the prime service provider for public sector today, for the government of UP, for the government of Uttarakhand and Bihar. Right now, in Apollo, in Morpan Laboratories, what we do is going to probably help you imagine things in healthcare better. The way we see things is the future and the present both. We keep talking about future, but I'm talking about present also. The home diagnostic space, the self-diagnostic space, the ability for a person to be able to test himself, low cost or free of cost, is where we are moving. That's what our assumption is. I'm very interested in this hackathon, especially because I would love to see what ideas come on the table. Not just around diagnostics, but in general, around services that you can imagine. But specifically diagnostic, because last week only I was mentioning Sridhar sir in the morning today. We came across a startup that will allow you to scan your face through a camera and tell 42 different things about you. That includes your bone density, that includes your blood pressure, that includes your whatnot. I mean, it's a huge list. Now imagine this. Right now, if you need a test done, what's the typical journey? You will probably dial a pathology. The guy will come, he'll prick your vein, and then you give the blood. Reports come in 2-3 days later. Something like this challenges the status quo. industry that has been thriving since last 20, 30 years. Obviously, this is democratizing the solution. So when you imagine ideas and how do you want to execute them in this space, make sure you think of the impact and scale. What do we need? Identification of condition is one of the most important spaces where everybody is burning their midnight fuel, all the big companies. In fact, pharma companies also, they want to know the condition, they want the end user to know the condition as early as possible so that they can start the cure as early as possible. That's the idea. But the government also, if you look at the top 10 goals of the National Health Mission, you will see cervical cancer screening. You will see a lot of other screenings and identification programs that are happening. So think of technologies that actually helps in the daily household. I mean, imagine a UTI strip, which is currently, I don't know how many of you know this, but there are companies that are coming up today that are making strips. You can dip the strip in the urine and scan through the app. It will tell you whether you have UTI or not in a matter of 5 minutes. This is where we stand today. It's available in the market. Same goes for cervical cancer. 30% is the nation's projection. 30% of them will have some form of it. So isn't it wise to get us screened as early as possible? Prostate cancer, every 3 out of 10, every 3 men out of 10 above 55 is prone to have prostate cancer. So screenings through different technologies, PPG is one of them, retina scan is another. There are so many things that are happening in the home diagnostic, self-diagnostic space. Is one area we would love for our students and potential candidates to be imagining things about or on. And I'll be leaving my contact with the school, of course. Would love to hear from you if you want to discuss projects that require sponsorship. If you want to build something, we'll be there for you. I'll be always supporting the TIFAC, TBI, or whatever you set up here to push entrepreneurial skills, mindsets, building things on your own. And I'll just end this with one small note that our chancellor sir told us 2 days back. That you stop working for somebody else is what he told me again. So he's pushing us consistently to build things on our own. Make in India बोलने से नहीं होगा, बनाना पड़ेगा. और उसके लिए we need to take some risks. We need to come out of our comfort zone. Don't worry, you are still very, very young. You can waste your time 2-3 years in experimenting and figuring out what you want to do until you literally figure out what you have to do, right? So I wish you all the very, very best. I'm so proud coming here. It makes me very sentimental. You have no idea the times when we were there. We were hardly about 5,000 students. That was the best time of my life. I can do that any given day. Even if I have a daughter and a wife, I can go back and live in the hospital for 4 years for sure. That good is my memory with Vellore. I hope it gives you the same. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. As we approach the conclusion of this inaugural session, it is a time to honor our esteemed guests who have graced this event with their presence, valuable insights.
I'm sorry for interrupting. And our very good friend and well-wisher of VIT, and Dr. Fida Alavi, Associate Dean, International Program, is waiting for us. It's the midnight. It's around 12:30, early in the morning, 18th. And both Dr. Yusuf and Dr. Fida Alavi and our good friend Nal, everyone is waiting. And I request Dr. Fida Alavi to share very few words. Such a dedicated and committed professors, both Dr. Alavi and Yusuf, waiting early in the morning at 12:30 in Baltimore. Dr. Alavi, please share your wishes to our participants and our faculty members here. You're on the mute. You're on the mute, Dr. Piri. Yeah. Could you please unmute? Yes.
I would like to join Professor Yazdi and Dr. Pal and our distinguished guests at the VIT. We are truly pleased to continue our collaboration with VIT on different campuses. We just had the opportunity, our Dean Ed Schlettinger and also Vice Dean Siri Sarma and myself, we just visited campuses of VIT, and we really look forward to enhancing our research and educational collaboration with VITs. And this is really fascinating and this is really exciting. And I really believe this is the beginning. And thank you everyone for making this event really fabulous and valuable to everyone. And thank you for the opportunity.
As we approach the conclusion of this inaugural session, it is our time to honor our esteemed guests who have graced this event with their presence, valuable insights, and unwavering support. As a gesture of our appreciation, we would now like to present them with a memento and a shawl symbolizing our deepest respect and gratitude.
I would like to invite Dr. T. V. Sridharan to VC VIT Bhopal University to present the memento and shawl to Chief Guest Dr. Mr. Amrit Ravi, Vice President and Lead of Emerging Opportunities at Mountbatten Laboratories Limited, India. Next, I invite Mr. K. K. Nair, Acting Registrar, VIT Bhopal University, to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. Ravindra Vikram Singh, Director and Head of R&D, Technology and Innovation at Merck, India. Finally, I invite Dr. C. Nivasan R., Director, International Relations, VIT, to honor Ms. Damini Agarwal, Chief Technology Officer at IBD, USA.
A heartfelt thank you to all our esteemed guests for their invaluable presence and for sharing their wisdom with us today. Your contributions truly inspire and elevate this event. Now, as we conclude this inaugural session, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our esteemed speakers and participants. To formally express our appreciation, I now invite Dr. Siddharth Mehti, convener, VIT Bhopal University, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, industry partners, and participants. It is both an honor and a privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of VIT Bhopal University as we conclude the inaugural session of the VIT Bhopal as well as Johns Hopkins University hackathon event. This event marks a significant milestone in fostering interdisciplinary collaboration and innovation in healthcare technology. And we deeply appreciate the contribution of everyone who has made this occasion meaningful. First and foremost, my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Amrit Ravi, Vice President, Lead Emerging Opportunities, Mountbatten Laboratories Limited, for gracing us with his presence and sharing his invaluable thoughts. Your words of encouragement have truly inspired us to push the boundaries of research and innovation. A heartfelt thank you to our guest of honor, Dr. Ravindra Vikram Singh, Director and Head of R&D, Technology and Innovation at Sigma Aldrich. Your expertise and vision in research and development have provided immense inspiration to us all. I extend my deepest appreciation to our respected leadership at VIT Bhopal University, Honorable Chancellor Sir, respected Vice President Sir, respected Assistant Vice President Madam, and respected Trustee Madam for their unwavering support, guidance, and commitment to academic excellence and innovation. A special thank to Dr. T.V. Sridharan, our Pro-Vice Chancellor, and Dr. Srinivasan R., Director IR, for their kind help and support. We are also deeply honored by the presence of esteemed delegates from Johns Hopkins University. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Sridevi Sharma, Dr. Yusuf Yazdi, Mr. Kunal Pal for their invaluable contribution and our unwavering support in strengthening this collaborative endeavor. A special note of appreciation to our industry partner, Dr. Nia Verma and Ms. Damini Agarwal for their perspective and emphasizing the vital role of industry-academia partnership in driving impactful healthcare innovation. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to our organizing committee and our acting registrar, Mr. K.K. Nair, for their commendable efforts in orchestrating this session and ensuring its seamless execution. Finally, my heartfelt appreciation goes out to all the faculty members, organizing committee, technical teams, and most importantly, our participants and attendees who have joined us from various institutions and industries. Your enthusiasm and engagement are the driving force behind the success of this initiative. As we move forward with this health hackathon event, I am confident that the knowledge shared today will ignite transformative ideas, foster innovation, and contribute meaningfully to advancement in healthcare. Once again, thank you all for your invaluable contribution and participation. Wishing you a productive and insightful journey ahead. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
With that, we officially declare the 2025 open. We look forward to an exciting and impactful event ahead. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
I request all the participants to please be seated here.